Now, before we get into this video, I would just like to make one thing clear. I have not got any vendetta against any private hire or any taxi driver, and definitely not Deltas. I know it may seem like that on a few of my videos, but it's not the case. There's maybe 2,500 to 3,000 private hire Delta drivers in our city, so there's going to be more of them on the roads, and I'm going to see more of them than maybe the other companies. I use Delta myself and I literally have no problems with them whatsoever. It's just unfortunate that this guy works for Delta. So there he is, parked up on the left side, and he's been parked there for maybe 10 minutes, probably waiting for a job. And look at his car, it's all steamed up, and this plays a massive part to what you're going to see in a moment. I don't think he could see properly before he starts off. Alright. Good, so there's plenty of little mistakes that they could make.
Yeah.
Stopping, what mistakes could they make? This is a common one, is the stopping. This guy's not littering, he's just poured his coffee away out the window, that's all. He's probably just got the call for the job.
Okay.
I'm forever saying to people, that taxi driver has just totally and utterly crashed into that lamppost.
You're messing.
No. He's just crashed into that lamppost.
Let's see.
That's immense. He drove off, wasn't even looking, and just whacked straight into the lamppost. Went straight over the curb.
What's he doing? Oh, he's got a right titty lip on now.
Not surprised. He's just crashed. Should I give him a card? Oh my word.
You weren't fitty on that, were you?
Of course I was. Yeah, he just drove straight out from the side. I don't know where he was looking. But he went over the curb and scraped the lamppost.
As if it's small, is it?
Amazing.
The whole car park. She must have been laughing her head off.
Funny. The other driving instructor, who was quite near to the private hire, comes over for a quick chat. It's on video! Got it on video! Hey! Did he actually hit? I thought he went over. Did he hit the lamppost as well?
And there's a bit of the car left on it.
Seriously? So, pretty obviously, we're going to get going and go and have a look. What would you have done? Funny. Funny.
Oh my god. Oh, there is! Jesus! How bonkers is that?
Oh, immense. Immense. That's fabulous. Oh, funny. Alright.
Never a dull moment with Ash.
Never a dull moment, no.